Android is the most popular OS across all smartphone users, and every 8 out of 10 smartphones sold are running on Android. With so many features built into Android OS and some extra add-ons embedded by the OEMs, these smartphones have so many features, and most of these are available straight from the settings menu for ease of access. But there are a few more features that are either not popular or are only meant for advanced users and are hidden deep inside the setting menu. Therefore, you tend to miss out on the most incredible features of these devices. But don't worry, after watching this video you will get familiar with 7 hidden features of your Android phone, which you might have never heard, and they will definitely fascinate you. But before we move forward, if this is your first time here, welcome, and be sure to subscribe with the bell on, so you're notified whenever we have uploaded a new video. 1. Cast your Android screen. For a number of years, you've been able to broadcast your Android phone or tablet's display to the larger screen of a television using a Chromecast. In addition to beaming video from all the usual movie and TV apps, this streaming device can mirror your phone. Take advantage of a mirroring shortcut in the quick settings pane, which you access by dragging down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers. You should find a cast option in this menu. If it doesn't show up, there's another way to set up mirroring. First, check to make sure you've installed the Google Home app for Android. You probably already used this program to set up your Chromecast. Open the app, tap Cast Screen or Audio from its menu, and then choose your Chromecast. Your device's display should appear on the big screen. 2. Using split screen for multitasking. The most important highlight in Android is having the ability to have 2 applications running on the screen simultaneously. It's convenient when you are taking a meeting on Google Meet and checking emails, or when you are looking into a spreadsheet and sending the corresponding data in messages, or face calling a friend and scrolling the social media by the side. Be that as it may, it's not completely clear how to get applications in split screen mode. Furthermore, to enable the split screen mode on phones running Android 9 Pie or newer, you must follow these steps. Open the app that you wish to use in split screen mode. Enter the Recent Apps screen by pressing the Recent button if you are using 3 buttons menu, or just swipe up from the home bar if your smartphone is running on Android 10 and you have enabled gestures navigation. From this Recent Apps screen, select the app that you wish to run on the second screen of split screen view. You need to press and hold on the 3-dot kebab menu on the right-hand side of the app to select split screen. Now open any other secondary app from this recent menu or from the home screen, and this app will be open in a split screen view. 3. Lock people out of specific apps. We all have somewhere faced the problem of being asked of our phone by the people we don't want to show our personal data to. Well, in such case it's safe to lock such people out and prevent them from opening your apps such as Messengers, Gmail, or your photo gallery, which contain some of your private content which you want to keep it to yourself. To keep such information private from people's eyes, we are going to tell you some of the features available on your smartphone for that. Screen pinning is one such option, which can help you keep your apps locked until and unless you enter the code, which only you know, to open it. To enable the screen pinning in your phone, stick to the following steps. Go to Settings, Security, and turn on screen pinning. After turning it on, open the app your friend or loved one asked for. Open Recent Apps screen with the square button below the phone screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a pin in the lower right corner. Tap an icon that looks like a pin in the lower right corner, and it'll remain pinned to the front. Now that's all anyone can use until you enter the password. Furthermore, the Play Store is filled with apps that can be used to lock certain apps. You can try out the following apps: App Locker, Lock App, Ultra App Lock to lock your apps with a password or biometric authentication. 4. Make text and images more visible. If you're struggling to see what's on the screen, or, alternatively, if you want to cram as much content as possible onto the display and don't mind doing a bit of squinting along the way, you can zoom in or out on text and objects. Not all the apps will respond to these adjustments, but most of them will. To change size settings, open the Android Settings app and go to the Display heading. From the Display menu, tap the Font Size link to change the default font size. Select the Display Size link to make on-screen objects larger or smaller. 5. Disable the lock screen at home. To keep your device safe, you need to set up a PIN code or a fingerprint scan to unlock your phone. But this makes it more inconvenient to access your apps. Google's Smart Lock feature lets you remove this obstacle, giving you instant access to your phone, but only when you're safely at home. From Settings, tap Security or Security and Privacy, and turn on Smart Lock. As well as disabling the lock screen, when you're at home, that's the Trusted Places option. You can also disable the screen when your phone's Bluetooth is connected to a trusted device, such as your car stereo unit, or when it recognizes a trusted voice, such as yours. 6. Recover accidentally cleared notifications. Have you ever faced a situation where you tap the button to clear your notification tray, only to notice an alert you needed to read at the last second? Yes, we know you have, and it's super frustrating. Notifications are an essential part of the phone and even keeps people hooked to the device. Thankfully, there is a way you can see every alerts and notification you have received in the past few days. Here is how to do it. Long push on any empty spot on your screen. Select Widgets from the menu. Discover the Settings shortcut widget. In the Settings shortcut menu, scroll down and tap Notification Log. Now a notification log shortcut will appear on your home screen. Tap on this shortcut to view all your missed notifications. Whenever you miss an alarm, tap the gadget and you'll see a rundown of all of your alerts. On the off chance your smartphone doesn't have a notification log, check the Notification History Log application from Google Play Store. 7. Transferring file through Wi-Fi Direct. Do you face connectivity issues while transferring the files to your device? It gets pretty annoying while transferring the files over an Android device while using Bluetooth to transfer files, which most of the time it fails to establish a connection, and when it does, it's pretty slow to transfer files. Well, we got you covered. Wi-Fi Direct is a new technology that can help you transfer files wirelessly in a way similar to Bluetooth. Wi-Fi Direct transfer files at blazing fast speeds, which obviously are much faster than Bluetooth. Like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi Direct has the same discover, pair and send functionality. However, Wi-Fi Direct isn't as widespread as Bluetooth right now. A few gadgets may not be Wi-Fi Direct compatible. The best part about Wi-Fi Direct is that it does not require any third-party applications to establish a connection. To transfer files via Wi-Fi Direct, you need to turn on the Wi-Fi Direct options from Settings. To do so, go into Settings, Connections, Wi-Fi, then tap on the Wi-Fi Direct tab at the top. And once the connection is established, you can share any files by clicking on the Share button and selecting Wi-Fi Direct from there. Thanks for watching, and we hope you liked the video. Tell us in the comments, between Android and iOS, which one do you prefer?